welcome back to another video, guys. I think I'm gonna call you guys the Simps, like simple builds. So you guys are the Simps. Today's gonna be a special video, picking up a new build. We're about 25 minutes out. It's an hour and a half drive. We gotta go pick up the U-Haul, and then we're gonna meet the guy there and check it out. So I'll show you guys when we get there. Here it is, guys, 2000 V6 Mustang. Yes, it's a V6, I know, but you can't get the V8 for this price. So I plan to make this thing look sweet. Hopefully you guys stick around for this process of this new build. You know, if you want to call it build, because I didn't, you know, completely build the engine. But hope you guys can stick around and check this process out on this thing. So we're gonna take this thing home, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow, and I'll give you the whole rundown on it. You just farted on our new car. Oh my god! New batteries in. Let's get this thing off the trailer. All right, here it is. We got the Mustang in the driveway. It's all set. We got everything taken care of. U-Haul's back dropped off. So we're gonna get started. This is day one of the Mustang build. This thing's gonna look awesome when we're done with it. I hope you guys are excited as I am about it. I honestly never thought I'd own a Mustang, but I think this is a better looking one of the better looking ones. The 70s, I love those. Those are sweet. I don't know much else about the Mustangs, but I'm excited for this one. So I'm gonna give you guys a rundown, walk around it, and show you guys what it needs. We're gonna detail the exterior and also the interior today. So we'll see how far we can get. Let's jump into it. New battery in it, as you can see, and basically not too much in here. We got to do a thermostat and a thermostat gasket. It's got a new K9 intake. Mechanically it's pretty decent. It's got 160 something thousand miles, so we're gonna clean this whole thing up and make it look real nice. So that's pretty much everything on this. Now today we're gonna detail it, so we're gonna jump right on that. Let's do it. Alright, car is all washed. It's all cleaned on the outside. Alright, the outside's all clean. It's looking pretty good, so we're going to jump on the inside. Seats are out, so let's clean this crap up. It's kind of disgusting in here. Holy smokes. Wires this guy has. Alright, passenger side is all vacuumed. It's got some stains, but it's all vacuumed, it's all cleaned up, so we're gonna jump over to the other side. Got a lot of mess to clean up over there. quick lunch break with the best food. Guys, we got some goods for the Mustang. We got some rubber mats, because those old mats were disgusting. New steering wheel cover. And I want to try this out. Also, we got the thermostat gasket. I'm gonna do, for the first time, some vinyl and fabric paint. So, you guys obviously saw how nasty the carpet is. So we're gonna paint it black. We're gonna paint this center console portion, the lower portion, black. Straightforward, it's simple. If you guys want to change the color of your carpets, go get some vinyl and fabric duplicate color paint. So I'm gonna throw it on a time lapse, and I'll show you guys how it looks. This is exciting. So apparently you can use this stuff on seats too, on all your cloth and vinyl. So we're gonna paint these seats black. Hopefully one can will do the trick. All right, guys, getting a little cold out here, getting dark. So I'm gonna cut it here. I'm gonna throw these seats in, and then I'll show you what it all looks like tomorrow morning. So I'll see you then. All right, back out here in the morning. It's 30 degrees. That's not stopping us. We finished up the inside last night, so I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Check it out. Alright, that's a wrap for episode 1 of the Simple Stang. That's kind of cheesy. That's a wrap on episode 1 of the Mustang build. Hope you guys are excited. This thing's going to turn out really cool, so I hope you guys can stick around for this one. Tons of parts on the way already. Episode 2, we're going to be installing a bunch of parts on this thing. Now, let me know what you guys think, what color I should do, what color wheels I should do. I think I already know what wheels I'm going to use, so I'm excited to start piecing this thing together. It's going to look awesome. Hopefully I can catch you guys in the next episode. See you then.